How to draw zombie Rick Sanchez from Rick and Morty. Hey everyone! So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing two circles for the eyes. The first eye that we're going to make will be the left eye. Today we will only be drawing the head. That is why we're drawing the eyes in the center of the page. A little bit to the right, we're going to begin to draw the second eye. Nice job! Next we're going to draw the pupils, but to help make the zombie look, we're not going to draw the pupils in the center of the eye. The first pupil that I make will probably be off to the left center of the eye. I'm going to make the second pupil a little to the right of the center. Awesome, that looks kind of cool. It almost looks like googly eyes. Now right above the eyes that we just made, we're going to begin to make a big unibrow. This is my first ever Rick and Morty character drawing, but if you want to see me draw more of these characters, comment who you want to see drawn down below. So far this is a great start. Later on in the video we're going to draw the hair, so let me just move down the paper a little bit so you can see everything. Awesome. Next up we're going to draw the nose. The nose will look similar to a big U-like shape and it will be right below and in the center of the eyes. The next step will be to draw the mouth. Right below the nose, we're going to make two C-like shapes, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. Then we're going to connect them. Let's draw one curvy line going from the left C-like shape all the way over to the right. Then we're going to draw one below. Now we have an empty space. On the inside of this empty space, we're going to begin to draw the teeth. You can make the teeth as far apart or close as you would like, and you can also make them as big or small as you please. All together on the top row, we should have about 7 teeth. Are you all done with the top row? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. All together on the bottom row, we should have around 8 teeth. Great, now we have the primary detail of the face completed. Next, we're going to make a big C-like shape on the left-hand side of the page to outline everything that we previously made. We're going to make the right side in just a moment. Now we're going to draw the outline of the head on the right hand side of the page, but we're going to be very careful because we're going to leave an opening on the top right hand corner. This top right hand corner will be where the brains are coming out of Rick's head. How cool, great job. Now where we left that opening, we're going to begin to draw the brains. We're going to draw the brains by using curved lines and C-like shapes. You can get as crazy with this part as you would like. Personally, I haven't watched a whole lot of Rick and Morty, but what's your favorite episode? Let me know down in the comments below so I know where to start. Are you all done drawing the brains? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now we're going to begin to draw the ears. We're going to make the ears by using small C-like shapes on the left and right hand side of the face. Now underneath of the eyes, I'm going to add in a couple small lines for detail. I'm going to come back later and add in a little bit more detail, but if you want to do this, then that's okay. But if you want to do something else, feel free to do that as well. Now we have the majority of the face completed. Next we're going to draw the crazy hair of Rick Sanchez. We're going to begin right here on the left hand side, and we're going to make a lot of big sharp triangle-like shapes to make the hair. A cool idea for the hair would be maybe to add in a little bit of goo or blood. We're going to connect the hair all the way over to the right hand side, and the top piece will be the longest. In the next video, should I draw a zombie version of Morty? Now since we made a total of 4 hair pieces on the left hand side, I think we should also do the exact same thing, but on the right hand side. The next 2 pieces after this piece will be a lot smaller. Also, if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button, because we post step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this every single day, and we always read the comments. So comment all of your art requests down below. Let's just connect this last piece. Awesome. Last but not least, I'm going to add some detail to the face. I'm going to add in a couple small circles, which later on I'll color in green, and I'm going to add in a small line by the mouth. At the end of this drawing tutorial, I'm going to show in a picture of my colored zombie Rick Sanchez, so you can pause the video there and color it in if you want to. Also, if you want to see more videos just like this, then remember to hit that subscribe button. If you want to help us out and continue to grow our YouTube channel, then be sure to give this video a big like so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub, and see you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.